There you are. Right. Have a look down here. We've got the sausages nicely browned up.
Yum, yum, yum.
That's absolutely perfect. If you've got a little bit of Worcester sauce, you can put that on them just to give them a little bit more glazing. If you're very lucky and you've got some Henderson's relish, the mustard ketchup, that's even better for the task. Now, what we're going to do is this. Oh, sorry. Not mash yet. Right. Now, in the oven, you'll remember we have the Pyrex dish with the beef dripping in. Now, in an ideal world, this would actually be a flat bottom tin. We don't have one. If we did have one, what we would do is we'd take it out and we'd put it on the flame here and we'd load this up whilst there's a flame underneath it. That would ensure better the pudding rising. We don't have that, so this may be our first disaster video where we have to admit defeat at the end of things, but hopefully not. So, what we do, we take out the fat. Now, I'm sorry, the cameraman complains terribly when this happens about the sound, but there's going to be lots of splurging.
Yums, yums.
She's saying yums, but she complains the hell out of it, berates me, says, why is this fat making all this noise? It's absolutely, yeah, exactly, just like that. Now, the batter is actually in the freezer, would you believe?
Not really.
And the reason it's in the freezer is because what we want is one, for that oil to be really hot, and we want this batter to be really cold. That's how we do it. Now,
Wow.
I'll try and do this in a way that's camera friendly.
Yums, yeah.
Right.
Can I lick the bowl, babe?
Later, dear, later. Right, we're going to put this in the oven. It's on gas mark 8. We're going to give it 15 minutes. The crucial thing is, don't peek. If you do, the pudding will flatten. It's an act of faith. We'll see what it's like.
No peeking. Will do, darling.